The session details you about kingdom, the highest category in the taxonomic hierarchy, or I must say highest taxonomic category, which is obligate also. Now we have discussed about 7 categories in taxonomic hierarchy. You should know out of that 3 categories like genus, species and kingdom, they don't have any suffix. Rest all 4 categories have got the suffix. So the question can be asked that how many taxonomic categories out of all 7 obligate categories have got suffix, or how many of them do not have any suffix. Your answer should be 3 of them do not have suffix, like kingdom, genus, species, and other 4 categories they have got the suffix. When you talk about kingdom, it is a group of related phyla if you're talking about animals, or division if you're talking about plants. Now when you detail about kingdom, there are actually 5 kingdom, and those are kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungus, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. They are based upon their evolution. In the next class, we will be talking about taxonomic aids.